In this video, I am extending an open invitation from the Sister Circle to our Corn on the Cob Challenge, and I am showing you how I make my classic corn on the cob. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, start now by hitting that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. Today is the 4th of July, and corn on the cob is one of those things that is almost on the table in almost every family. And we thought this would be the perfect opportunity to issue a challenge to all of you out there in YouTube land to join us in showing us how you make corn on the cob, or use corn on the cob, I should say. So here are the details. You have to start with fresh corn. Now what you do with it after that is totally up to you, but you got to start with fresh corn. No frozen corn, no canned corn, no corn on the cob from the freezer. You got to start with fresh corn. Now how you get it off the cob and any other forms of recipes is totally up to you. So that is our challenge. Corn is coming into its season, and as I said, it's one of those things that most families love to share at holiday time, particularly in the summer. So here we are, fresh corn on the cob. The video upload date is going to be July 16th after 7 a.m. Eastern. And again, it's either cooked on the cob like this, and then you're just going to kind of nibble it off the cob, or you might have cut it off the cob and made something truly wonderful with it. We would love to see what you do. So on July 16th, what you'll want to do is come back to this video, and there will be a link for the playlist so that you can upload your video into the Sister Circle's Corn on the Cob Challenge playlist. And we'll also have a hashtag that you can use, and it will be hashtag Corn on the Cob Challenge 2019 Sister Circle. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cook corn on the cob Jordan style. So now that I've got them washed and clean and in the pot to boil, my secret sauce is about a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of milk. So let's get that. And then I just let that kind of cook together, let the flavors meld. And yes, you're starting with naturally sweet corn, but adding that 1/4 cup of sugar just gives it a little bit more sweetness. And I'm not sure what the milk does, but it just does something. I got that recipe from a friend a long time ago, and I've done that ever since when I cook corn, and my family loves it. Now here's the thing, when you add the milk and it starts to bubble a little bit, you will get a little bit of film, so you want to try to stir that down. You don't want to let it bubble over. add the sugar. And now we're going to add the milk. And let's give that a gentle stir. And then I'll just let that boil for about 20 minutes and the corn will be perfect. And I like my corn on the cob on those little skewers with a little bit of salt and slathered in butter. How do you like your corn on the cob? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you've got a secret sauce that you like to use for your recipe, tell me that too, because inquiring minds want to know. So we'll let this cook for about 20 minutes, but I'll keep an eye on it. So we, the ladies in the Sister Circle, are hoping that you will join us in this corn on the cob collaboration or challenge, so to speak. We're really excited about it and we're looking forward to lots of participation. So share this invitation not only with your family and friends, but share it with your YouTube community as well. The more the better, because I mean, who doesn't like corn on the cob? So we're really looking forward to seeing how many of you will join us, take us up on this challenge. And once again, the video upload date is July 16th after 7 a.m. Eastern. We'll upload all our videos at the same time, and then we'll see what all the creators have had to share. You can see here where it's starting to bubble. And so you want to keep an eye on this because you don't want that milk to bubble up and then have it all boil over. So just stir it down. And I'll lower the heat just a bit. Now I'm going to turn it off and just let it sit with the lid on for about 10 minutes. And it should be fine. Looks delicious. So I'm going to rub it with just a little bit of butter. Now sprinkle with just a little bit of salt. It's delicious. Like I said, nothing's as good as sweet corn on the cob slathered with butter and just sprinkled with a little bit of salt. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you on June 16th for the Corn on the Cob Challenge.